So, why does your back pop when being adjusted? When a chiropractor adjusts your spine, you may hear a loud popping or cracking sound. This can be surprising or unsettling for some patients, but it is not a sign of damage or injury. In fact, the sound results from the release of gas bubbles which have been trapped in your spinal joints. The cracking noise is simply the result of a sudden change in joint pressure, forcing gas bubbles to rapidly expand and pop out of the tight spaces between the joints. The popping sound you hear is harmless. It's just a sign that your spine is being adjusted and realigned correctly. Depending on your level of physical activity, we recommend getting adjusted every 3 months. At Dominguez Chiropractic, your recovery is our priority.